Hello everybody, my name is Navish Kirk and I joined this company as a GET in 1990, and in a span of 25 odd years I rose to the position of a CXO in the organization. So just to give you a brief about my journey in the company. So I started in the lock division, moved on to the switch division, which is today known as the Uno Minda, one of the most famous and strong companies in switches in India. Then even in Mindarica, I was responsible for different functions. I joined as a production engineering person, moved on to design and engineering, then marketing. Finally, the operations part was given to me. As a result of this, I soon became a plant head, followed by the business head. And 2012, I was given the opportunity to set up the infotainment company, which is now known as Minda Densoten, followed by another startup which I was involved in, which was the Minda Kose, which is nothing but only castings and machining, so all mechanical parts. And then I moved on to the CSO position and CMO position in the corporate office. And since last year, that is April 23, I am CEO for the electronics and control systems division. And in this division, we are responsible for different new age products like advanced driver assist systems and EV products. Just to give an outlook, an overview of the journey that you can look forward to in Uno Minda. So we have a vast variety of functions. We have tool rooms, we have machine shops, we have molding shops, we have assemblies, we have electronics, we have everything. So all streams of engineering are welcome to the group. They are welcome to join the group, and I can assure you success for each and every discipline that you have pursued as your academics. So everything is required by us, and everybody has a chance to grow in the organization. So look forward to see you. Thank you.
My name is Pankaj Kukreja. I am currently working with Uno Minda as Senior DGM Marketing. My journey with Uno Minda is very special because I joined here as a GET in 2010. I was part of the production engineering team where I learned a lot, worked with different functions like operations, finance, design. I had a long experience in understanding how the customer expectations are and how do we make a product. Somehow I was inclined towards marketing, so I started my MBA in marketing from 2011 to 2013. After completing my MBA, I expressed my aspirations to Uno Minda leadership. I was able to pivot my career from engineering to marketing thanks to Uno Minda leadership because they are very open. Afterwards, I was given a customer to look after, a Japanese OEM. I learned from there, and then in 2016, I was given an opportunity to go to Europe. I was part of Europe and America's marketing, looking after customers like BMW, Harley Davidson, Piaggio Group. There I was responsible for end-to-end service. So I was responsible for the quality, cost, delivery, all of the stuff. And somehow those were not the areas where I worked in the past, but that helped me to grow, helped me to understand what the customer aspirations are. So in the coming time, I would like to see myself at the senior leadership in the C-suite, and I would like to take the organization towards a sustainable future. So to all the new aspirants, I would like to say, if you want to grow, if you want to learn a lot of things, because we are having 26 plus product lines in Uno Minda. We do software, we do hardware, and there is a big scope for learning. So if you want to learn and grow, I would urge you to join Uno Minda. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Radhika Walia. I am working in the Human Resource Management Department as an officer. I joined Uno Minda in 2023 as a management trainee. My journey here has been really incredible. I got to dive deep into various HR functions related to talent acquisition, talent engagement, employee engagement, and organization development. I got to be a part of challenging projects that enhanced my skills as a professional and boosted my confidence to work on real life scenarios. The team here has been incredibly supportive and deeply interested in my success as a professional. The highlight of my career would be when I got to work at a group level project that made a real life impact, and it displayed the trust that the organization has in us DGEMs. If I had to describe Uno Minda Limited in one word, it would be that it is a dynamic ecosystem that has provided us and nurtured us with all the ingredients that are needed to be successful. In the future, I would see myself in a prime leadership role as an HR manager, working on various projects through my specialization in strategic HRM, in company policy making, as well as employee development and company culture. I see myself as a diversified individual, a trusted advisor, and a mentor and guide to all. I am sure that the exposure and experience that I'm getting now will help me achieve this future goal. My message to all student engineers as well as management trainees would be that if you want to work in an industry which is at the forefront of innovation, which employs cutting-edge technologies and state-of-the-art machinery, Uno Minda is the place to be. You will get to collaborate with the brightest minds in the industry, and you will be contributing to the creation of all the crucial automotive components in today's modern vehicles.
Hello everyone, my name is Mantra Chadda. I am currently working as a production engineer at Uno Minda Limited, Acoustic Division. And my journey has been great so far. I joined the organization on July 4th, 2022. And as a fresh out of college, I was very nervous. But the onboarding process was very smooth. Everyone at the organization was very welcoming. They made us very comfortable, and it helped us a lot to be familiarized with the processes. Initially, I started learning about the processes, the SOPs, the standards that were put in place. And as I grew, as my experience grew, as my knowledge grew, I started taking on more challenging roles, such as taking projects, optimizing process, problem-solving projects. And this helped me a lot to grow as a professional individual. Uno Minda is an organization which allows a person to grow personally as well as professionally, and it makes sure that the individual growth of the person is in aligned with the professional growth. So that is something I look into an organization. My current role as a process engineer has allowed me to work with a lot of different verticals such as quality, finance, production, and this has allowed me to take a broad perspective of the process. As Uno Minda is a customer-centric organization, the major impact and the major attribute that I've inculcated in myself is the quality in everything I do. This has allowed me to be a better engineer, and I would advise whoever is willing, whoever is thinking about joining the organization, that they should just go for it. If you have the curiosity, if you have the capacity, and if you have the ethics to work hard, to take on challenging tasks, and to be self-motivated, you will excel at this organization. Thank you.